In this video, I will show you how you can add and set up your fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Now on this page, you will find the option for Screen Lock and Biometrics. Now just tap on it. Now if you have set a lock screen PIN or passcode on your Samsung phone, it will ask you to enter your PIN or passcode to access this page. But after you do that, you'll arrive to this page. Now under Biometrics, you will find the option for fingerprints. Now just tap on it. Now if you have not set up a lock screen passcode on your Samsung phone, it will ask you to set a lock screen passcode, PIN or pattern with the fingerprint. Now as you can see, you have the option for a PIN with the fingerprint, a password and a pattern. I will select the PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. After you create your PIN, then just tap on Continue and select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. Then tap on Done and tap on Continue. Now to register your fingerprint, just tap on Continue. Now just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and once the animation continues, just lift your finger off. Now just do that a few times until you register your fingerprint completely. Now if you're wondering where is the fingerprint sensor, it is under the display. Now just tap on Register, and as you can see, this is the fingerprint sensor. Now just place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and once the animation continues, just lift your finger off. Just like that. Now just try to use different areas on your finger, and once you have registered your finger completely, then just tap on Done. Now if I go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have the option to unlock our Samsung phone using the fingerprint. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.